Snail farming may sound unusual, but it's a thriving industry that's growing globally. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of a snail meat factory, where these little creatures are transformed into gourmet delicacies. Welcome to Tech Machine, one of the largest snail meat producers in the country. I'm Tech Machine, and today, we're going to show you how snails are raised, harvested, and processed for your plate. First, let's start at the beginning. The snail farms. Snails are grown in carefully controlled environments where they have plenty of food, moisture, and protection from predators. These conditions help them grow healthy and large, perfect for harvesting. Snails are surprisingly low-maintenance creatures, feeding mainly on leaves, fruit, and special plant-based diets. They take about 6 to 12 months to grow to their full size. Once the snails are mature, they are carefully harvested. This is a delicate process, as the snails need to be in top condition before processing. After being harvested, the snails are cleaned and sorted. Only the best are selected for processing. Next, the snails are processed. They're first boiled to remove their shells and then cooked using various methods, often roasted, grilled, or prepared in a garlic and butter sauce, depending on customer preferences. Finally, the snail meat is packaged, sealed, and shipped out to restaurants and stores around the world. Snail meat is highly sought after for its delicate flavor and rich nutritional value. Snail meat is not just delicious, it's packed with nutrients. It's high in protein, low in fat, and a great source of iron, making it a perfect addition to a healthy diet. From escargot to innovative modern dishes, chefs around the world are using snail meat in creative ways. And now you know the journey it takes to get from the farm to your fork. Whether you're a fan of this gourmet delicacy or just curious about the process, snail farming and production is a fascinating and sustainable industry. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you learned something new.
See you next time.
The fascinating world of modern agriculture and technology, specifically dried factory farm technology. We'll explore how advanced drying techniques help preserve food, reduce waste, and feed more people worldwide. Let's get started. Factory farms today use cutting-edge technology to dry food products, fruits, vegetables, grains, and even meat to extend their shelf life. But how exactly does this process work? Drying is one of the oldest food preservation methods, but modern factory farms have taken it to a whole new level. In a factory farm setting, drying happens in controlled environments. The technology involves heating, air circulation, and dehumidification to remove moisture from the products. This preserves the nutrients while eliminating the water content that can lead to spoilage. The goal here is to reduce the moisture content to just the right level so that microorganisms can't thrive, and the food stays edible for much longer. There are several types of drying technology used in factory farms today. Let's break down the most common ones. Air drying. This uses heated air to evaporate moisture quickly. Freeze drying. A more complex process that removes moisture through freezing and sublimation, which preserves more nutrients. Spray drying. Commonly used for liquids like milk or juices, where droplets are dried into powder form in a hot air chamber. Not only does this technology make food more accessible, but it also has positive environmental impacts. By reducing spoilage and waste, factory farms can lower their carbon footprint. On the economic side, it makes products available year-round, stabilizing prices for both farmers and consumers. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovations in this space. Imagine fully automated drying facilities powered by AI that optimize energy use and minimize environmental impact. The future of agriculture is bright,